You set the goal 2 weeks ago. You said it out loud, and your inbox looks the same this morning. That hollow, disappointed nudge? It's not failure, it's frequency. Welcome to the Pattern Recognizer. Most people are running programs they never chose. Today we expose one of those patterns, see exactly how it works, and discover the precise shift that can set you free. Let's begin. I call this the resonance mismatch, when what you declare on the surface sings in one octave and the conviction in your body hums in another. Resonance mismatch. Strange, isn't it? On the surface we plan. Budgets, blocks in the calendar, confident phrases rehearsed into a morning routine. Beneath that, an old conviction shaped by family, by culture, by the small moments you never thought would matter. Scarcity, not deserving, avoidance. Those are the lower frequencies that steer attention and action. So you say, I want more. But when decision time arrives, the hidden tune nudges you back into what's safe, what's familiar. The loud thing wins. The declared intention? It becomes noise. Example. You set a target to charge a higher rate. You rehearse the number. Yet when a client bargains, you cave. Or you promise presence in a relationship, and when old charge appears, you default to distance because the felt belief has been running backstage the whole time. There's an esoteric geometry to this. Think of your inner life as a single instrument in an orchestra or a tuning fork. If the tuning at core levels is an octave off, the whole piece sounds wrong. Ancient alchemical schools describe this as tuning the subtle body, aligning centers so intention can pass through without distortion. Rosicrucian and other inner alchemical maps aren't mystical fluff. They're an architecture for coherence. Picture two tuning forks. Strike the one you want, the other vibrates a different pitch. What you hear is dissonance, not harmony. The word responds to the dominant vibration, the one that's embodied, because that one is doing the work. Here's a reframe that sticks. Life is an orchestra, and you are the conductor. If the cello of your core belief plays out of octave, the audience feels uneasy. You don't need louder intention, you need alignment. So how do we actually retune? Simple. Practical, 3 minutes. I call it octave alignment. Do it daily. Produce micro evidence. Rewire the habit loop. Let me walk you through it. Step 1, 15 seconds. State a clear, precise intention. Not vague, specific. My next proposal will be $1, 200. Say it once, crisp. Say it like a fact. Step 2, 30 seconds. Scan the body. Feel for heat, tightness, a phrase that appears. Name it aloud or in the mind. I'm not worth that, or they'll say no. Naming collapses the hidden charge. Step 3. 60 seconds. Create micro-evidence. This is where the system changes. Make one small, decisive move that produces data for the new frequency. Quick examples. Send the email with the price. Leave the voicemail. Rehearse the line out loud. Do this rehearsal with me now. Say it plainly. My rate is $1, 200. Then add, if that's not a fit, thank you for your time. Say both lines once, with steady breath. That 2-line rehearsal is your micro-evidence seed. You don't need perfect delivery. You need integrity. If your aim is intimacy instead of money, the micro-evidence is a brief, honest text. I want to be more present. Can we try a 10-minute check-in tonight? Small, observable, and testable. Step 4, 15 seconds. Breathe and visualize 3 slow breaths. On each exhale, imagine a tight spiral, 3 turns, coiling upward through chest and throat, matching the intention's octave to your body. Picture the spiral locking. Feel the softness. That image gives your nervous system a rhythm to follow. Quick rehearsal. State the intention, name the belief, do the micro-evidence action, breathe and spiral. Do it each morning for 7 days and log 1 data point, 1 observable result. A reply that acknowledges your price, 5 extra minutes of presence in a conversation, a small balance shift. Those are the notes that build a new song. Most people don't see it because they're living inside it. Awareness first, action second. One shift changes everything. The pattern is the prism. Awareness is the key. That is the pattern, that is the mechanism, and that is your shift today. If you're ready to decode the full architecture of your life, explore my complete library at dendemark.com/library. Begin the 7-day octave alignment now. Record 1 micro-evidence item each day and see what changes.